Delivery by 15 August and fastest delivery by 1st.
And I got right. That sounds wrong. It's my birthday. Everyone is going to draw. The dustbin says use me, so Pushkar went to use it, like abuse it. Pushkar after abusing the dustbin. Well, it's my birthday week and I have absolutely no plans currently. I don't know what will I be doing this week, but definitely don't want to sit home and do work entire day.
Oh, stress. Oh my god, stress.
The weather is good. I can go out, but I don't know. Like, I have absolutely no plans right now. Since it's my birthday week, I'm going to start with gifting myself something. Volume 28 of World Trigger is out on Amazon, so I'll be buying that. Anyone who knows me, you should know I'm a huge fan of World Trigger. Like, I would watch the anime as well and read the manga as well. Yeah. So, like, literally, like, I have like these many. Definitely, it wouldn't be a good idea to buy from like volume 1 because I've already watched the anime. But like the further ones where the anime is not yet out, I'm reading the manga for that. And volume 28 actually came long back, but it wasn't showing on Amazon for some reason. I don't know why. But now it is showing. It was previously shown as like 1000 rupees, but it's like 815 right now. Delivery by 15 August and fastest delivery by 1st August. Why am I getting it in the next month? What should I do? Like, should I just buy it? Best you tell me. Like, should I just buy it right now? If I buy it in August, it will anyways go like 1 month later. So I'll just buy it. Yeah, I'll just buy it. Also, it's been really long since I watched an anime, so if you have any recommendations, please drop them in the comment section. I might actually watch them. So yeah, drop them right now.
Alright, next up, I need to go to the shop and buy acrylic color and varnish because I realize these boots that I often wear have lost the leather thingy on the fabric. So yeah, these are not leather, like actual leather boots. They are like fake leather, fox leather, fur leather. Is that how they say it? Yeah, I guess so. So, if you don't know, you can mix varnish and black acrylic together and like paint your fabric to give that leather look. I wanted to look nice and fresh because I bought these boots back in 2022 when I was in the Netherlands, and they've been pretty good since then. Like, you know, I thought the sole would crack or something, but it never cracked. And it's still pretty sturdy. It's pretty strong. It's pretty good condition, honestly. So I just need to wax it, and it is back to good condition, I believe. I guess. I hope it works. Let's see how that goes. Let's go to the shop by then.
So I'm back with all the things that I need.
Okay, I have everything ready with me. I also masked my boots. If you can see, I put the masking tape because I don't want to color on the sole. You know, the sole and the canvas is of two different colors. So I want to keep that as it is. And I hope I do it right. Like, I don't want to ruin my boots. Like, I really love these boots. Okay, like I really love these boots. I want to keep them nicely. I want to make them look new again. So I just hope I do it right. Anyway, I'm actually, you know what, I know how acrylic and varnish really works on canvas, so it shouldn't be an issue. Like, if you didn't know, I used to do oil painting before, so. But anyway, let's get started. So, it's supposed to be acrylic 60% and varnish 40%. Yeah. And I'm using this to carry paint in. Actually, you know what, it's not a good idea. I need something else.
Alright, I found one. Pringles Dabba for the sale. You know what, at this point I feel Pringles container is a blessing for DIY community. I have just two lying in my house. This one used to be my stand for my phone, so RIP. Anyway, I'll get started. I'm stressed. Anyway.
Alright, boot number 2.
One eternity later.
I'm done with both the boots. I don't know if you can see any difference, but fine. I'm done. I'm done with both the boots. And most probably I'll have to do a second coat as well. So I'll just let this dry and I'll do the second coat as well. But I might not record it because I'll not have good lighting conditions. So yeah. Alright, so I gave like 3 coats of the same mixture, acrylic and varnish, and I guess it looks pretty good. Like it looks even on the surface and it has that shine and stuff. But yeah, I think it needs to dry well so it becomes a little bit more shiny and more settled. But yeah, I guess this works. Definitely know better once it is completely dry and we just need to wait maybe. Okay, so you remember how I had ordered World Trigger manga? Well, it's over here. I did not expect it to come this early. It was showing August, but somehow it's already in July. So let's unbox. There's a bubble wrap.
Oh my god, bro.
Volume 28. Let's go! Let's go!
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
This is a gift to myself. And it arrived in the birthday month. Yes. Yes. Oh shit. And it's ammo on the back. You know, there are only few things that actually make me happy. Like when it comes to the things that I genuinely like when it comes to anime. One of them is World Trigger manga. And it makes me want to read more and more. Okay. Like this is the only manga that will keep me reading. I don't like reading that much. I like reading when the story is like actually making me interested, like, you know. Otherwise, if there's also like a one single arc where it kind of gets boring, I'll just leave. But World Trigger, I cannot, like, because honestly, if you haven't watched World Trigger, help yourself. Watch World Trigger. I'm telling you, it's pretty good. Okay, the first season is kind of slow, but as you progress, you'll get to see the actual shit. Like, I love this anime. I love it. This is like my number one. So I'll excuse my outfit because it's kind of cold. It's raining outside heavily. So that's the reason I'm wearing this, and I'm not going anywhere outside right now. So yeah. Honestly, bestie, there hasn't been a single rainy season where I have not gotten wet.
Huh?
Like every rainy season, like, you know, even when I'm working from home, somehow I step out of my house and I get wet, like instantly. When it's not raining, it will suddenly start raining, like that kind of situation. Like that's crazy, right? I don't get it because last time also when I avoided rainy season entirely in Mumbai and I went to Bangalore, it started raining in Bangalore and I got wet. Okay, that sounds wrong. In rickshaw, like I was like completely, like one side of my body was completely wet, like do you get it? And then I had to buy a new pant just for that one day. I still have it, but yeah, like I don't understand how does it work, like why does rain follow me? But on the brighter side, you remember that I waxed my boots? Well, they are completely fine. They're completely fine. Like the paint didn't wear out, you know, like it was absolutely fine. They got wet, but here we are. The paint doesn't transfer. I know what I do. Like I'm good at it. Okay, like anything related to art and craft, DIY, I'm good at it. Like I have that skill. I have the superpower. Look, and it also looks like leather. It also looks like leather. So you can try it as well. So if you have any boots that don't look like leather, they just look like canvas, do the things that I did and make it look like new, I guess. So yeah, and if it doesn't work out for you all, you probably did something wrong. I don't know. What? Also, the bag that I got from DIY is waterproof. My camera, my phone, my batteries, everything is inside, and it is absolutely safe. So 400 rupees bag is very good. Like a DIY 400 rupees bag is very good. So if you have a kid who's going to school in this rainy season, buy a bag from DIY. I don't know. Not sponsored, by the way. It's not sponsored. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going home now. Alright, we are going to the mall quickly. I need to change, yeah. Anyway, let's go. I'm not going to fix my hair. I don't have time to put efforts in myself. I'm just dressing up normally. I'm going real quickly because it's already 5 o'clock and I don't want to take too much of time. I don't want to spend too much of time at the mall. So, at the mall. Let's go. They are watching Minologs. Alright, so we are going to Daiso because Daiso is the only store where you'll find cute stuff, and I often get things from my friends like cute gifts. So I thought maybe I should get something for them as well. So that's the reason we are over here, and yeah, like we are done with Daiso. Next, I went to Westside, but I couldn't find anything interesting for myself, so I just took this mirror video. And next, we are going to Zudio. So let's go. Alright, so this is the only piece that I picked up because all the other pieces did not feel like me, and I am not someone who will buy like everything that is trending because I'm not a trend based clothes buyer. Yeah, I like to create more characters when I wear outfits, and buying trends is not me. But I found this one piece which is like really good, and it looks very like it feels very durable and stuff, like good quality, and that is why I picked up. It's from Zudio. I'm in Zudio right now, so yeah, I'm just showing it to you. Okay, so this time this was the only piece that I found that had good color, good silhouette and good fabric. So that's the reason I picked this one. And it's for $6.99. And I came to Mr. DIY for something else, but instead I saw this cap with gradient red, so I just kind of got some idea for DIY, so that's the reason I'm picking this cap. It's my birthday and I'm going out with my friends. We are going to Joey's, and if you don't know Joey's is like this best, like the best pizza place in the entire town. So that's where we are going, so let's go. You are roaming with your laptop? You are working? Okay, I have a task for you all since we are waiting for pizza. Everyone is going to draw. Not me testing everyone's art skills today. Pushkar, you better draw nice.
I'm gonna be terrible in letting you. I love pointing. Don't look at it now, it's just a circle.
Wait, that can be a logo though.
Literally, that is so good.
Yeah.
Much more time. I don't have creativity.
So can you explain your art?
Fried chicken
Right.
for the win.
This literally looks like a circuit. Like capacitors. The dustbin says use me, so Pushkar went to use it, like abuse it. Pushkar after abusing the dustbin.
Don't tell me you got that on video.
It is on video. I had far too much fun. Everyone just made my day. I was not expecting such things. Thanks to everyone that wished me. Love you all. I was truly touched. Don't ask me where. But anyway, I'll see you in the next vlog. See ya.